Well, here we are, a little after 9:30 at night. Just arrived at my friendly local neighbourhood NCT centre. Feeling unnecessarily optimistic, I think is a good phrase. Put a little bit of petrol in to get me through. Some cookies in the cup holder. I heard €50 works, but I'm going to try cookies. We'll see how we get on. Kind of thinking, geez, I don't know. I think possibly fail on rear brake disc backing plates, headlight alignment, possibly handbrake performance. The handbrake is a bit shit, really shit, and something else on my mind, and one of the taillights is cracked. Maybe a surprise like emissions. I guess we're about to find out. So here we go, and I'll let you know. Well, I have to say, good news, it was not. But not too crap either. So, a couple of fails. Parking brake imbalance and parking brake performance. I think I kind of thought that because there is, if I can show you, about 11 million clicks on the handbrake. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And even at that, it's just holding the car. I think the max clicks is like 9, correct me if I'm wrong on that, but clicks aren't our issue. There's clearly something broken here. We'll definitely get that sorted. Windscreen wiper blades. I'm actually an asshole. Listen to the clickety clack of them. They're effect. Never even check those. Simple thing though, so that's not too bad. And a wheel bearing near side front. Reg plate bulb not working, it's just advisory. So what we need to do, fix our handbrake, fit a set of wipers, fit a wheel bearing, and come back. I think that's just about the upper limit of what I could probably get done to this car and still being with a chance of making money on it. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with that. Got 28 days, try and suss out some parts and get this sorted. Here we are again, back at the NCT centre, another late night appointment. Not that you can tell because the clock is not set, date is not set, temperature is accurate though it is effing freezing. And we've only went and passed, no mean feat. All it took was 29 days, 2 rear brake calipers, rear brake pads, set of front wipers, a wheel bearing, and €400 later. And here we are. So thrilled at that. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get it washed, get it up for sale, and try and get some money back. Thanks, Mr. NCT. So that's going to wrap up our adventures with this Zafira. I just went around it, gave it a nice quick wash. Just get the details good, like the grills, got kind of all in there, real detailed. Washed around the wheels and tyres, kind of nice. The rest of it wasn't too dirty, and it's still not too dirty. So it's NCT for a year. Has got its service history to work with it. Yeah, it's a bit rough around the edges, maybe a tiny bit. You can see some of the bits of bodywork, etc. But you know, I think there's a home for it somewhere. I'm hoping there's a home for it somewhere. There it is. Looks well for what it is. I think the body is straight, which is something. Little leaky tyre shine has it looking smart. Jump into it. Everything's nice and clean. Can't go wrong. It didn't have this when I got it. Maybe it did and I was fooled. It has that horrible Zafira glovebox affliction where the glovebox won't stay closed. So I'm going to figure that out in my own time. Other than that, nice, clean, cheap and cheerful 7-seater. Hopefully someone will give it a good home for not a lot of money. So look, if you enjoyed it, let me know. If you didn't enjoy it, don't let me know because I don't want to hear about it. Or watch something else. But there you are. How about that? The Teed is still with us. Blue Corolla is still with me. That's next to get NCT'd. And this will be coming to a video near you soon. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you in the end.